Everyone, my name is Gabriel. Today I'll present my project called Save the Earth. It's a Pygame-based interactive game that raises environmental awareness by letting players make choices that directly affect the planet's future. According to BMKG, Indonesia's average temperature has risen by 0.8 degrees Celsius over the last 40 years, leading to more floods, heat waves, and rising sea levels. Issues like deforestation, pollution, and overfishing continue to damage the environment. Many people know about these problems, but not everyone acts. That's where my project comes in, to educate through interaction. The game begins with a title screen that introduces the message, "Make choices that matter." Players then go to 4 stages: oceans, energy, lifestyle, and global cooperation. In each stage, players choose one of the 3 options, and each choice immediately shows a feedback message and affects their score. Finally, the game displays an ending screen. It summarizes how well the players saved the Earth. Let's look at how the game works behind the scenes. The logic is simple, but structured clearly to keep everything organized. The game uses Pygame for everything: the window, graphics, fonts, colors, and event handling. Here's where we set up screen dimensions, define colors, load fonts, and load images. This class controls the entire game's logic: stages, questions, scores, and results. It stores the player's total score, keeps track of which stage they're on, and record progress in 4 categories: law, tech, personal, and global. When a player makes a choice, the program checks which option was selected, adds points, and upgrades that category. Instead of complex data structures, the game uses if-else blocks to decide outcomes. For example, this straightforward logic makes it easy to trace what happens with each decision. The button class manages how button looks and responds to mouse actions. It checks when the player hovers or clicks, then changes color or runs an action. For example, clicking the next button advances to the next question. The main game loop controls the sequence: show title screen, wait for player to click start game, display questions and options, handle input using if-else statements, show result screen with facts and images, and move to the next stage or show the final ending. Each section of code connects smoothly to create an interactive story that reacts instantly to user input. The structure of this program isn't just clean, it's educational. Players can literally see how their actions affect the environment. Meanwhile, from a coding perspective, it demonstrates how a simple set of if-else conditions, loops, and a clear class structure can power a full game experience. In Save the Earth, code and creativity work together to inspire action. Every decision, whether in code or in real life, can make a decision. Thank you!